asking this is because you will be working on a remote server, right, for all the YouTube operations.
Okay.
So when you're working on a remote server, it requires a minimum of 20 Mbps.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'll
so
get that. Like, I have speed all the time, like a good internet connection, so it won't be a problem. Like,
okay, no problem. So probably towards the end, we'll just do a quick speed check,
okay.
and I'll let you know.
Sir, by the way, currently I am in Bangalore. I am staying in a PG.
Okay. Hmm.
So, like, if I get selected for this job or like internship, I'll be moving back to my hometown, and in my home, I'm having a better connection than this. So,
Okay. So where exactly is your hometown?
uh, I'm located in Kerala. Like, my hometown is in
Kerala.
Kerala.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Details. Is my screen audible, sir? Screen visible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
So this is my description. Like,
Okay.
SQL tutorial. This video is an SQL basics training that shows the fundamentals of SQL series covers. It's just 4 minutes. Like, I have shown how to create a database and like creating a table, and I have just included the
Hmm.
areas covered. Just a
Okay.
basic description, sir, because like it's just a 4 minute video. And
Hmm.
sir, can I tell you one thing?
Sure.
So I don't know what happened, but for the live, I tried like 3 times, and my timelines were not loading in the YouTube editor for live at that time.
Yeah, that's. You're saying you're putting it in the description, but they were not coming in the video,
Not like that. To add timelines of the video in the description, like you can see timelines, right? In some video
right?
descriptions, there are timelines to click where you have which point is described in some YouTube descriptions, YouTube video descriptions. It's there. So to add timelines, the timelines weren't loading in my YouTube editor, so I faced some
Okay.
technical issues in that.
Can you add a timeline here? Let's try it out. Let's see what the issue was.
Like, see, when I click on the editor, it takes,
Hmm.
I don't know what happens. It takes like it's not loading.
But why do you have to go to the editor?
Uh, like, okay, now it has come. Like, it's okay. Like,
But
uh,
why do you want to go to the editor?
but after going live, there is, if there is a section like at the end of the live, if there is a blank space or anything, to cut it
Hmm.
out, to trim it out, you can add like secondary layers of like audio. There is so many
Right.
options in the editor, right?
Right.
So to try it out, I was like, why it's not loading, why it's not loading, but
Okay.
now
So
it's.
basically, yeah. So when you go live, it takes around 2 hours for this editor speed to come
Oh, okay, okay.
because that video has to be processed by YouTube, right? So it
Yeah,
takes
yeah.
around 2 hours, and
But
once it's processed,
but
it you can have it look like
but
this.
since I have to wait 24 hours to go live, and I was
Hmm.
having a deadline, I I was like, why it's not coming, like.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
So
But I think this was also not a part of the assignment, right? The editor thing.
yeah, no.
Okay. So this description that you have written, Arjun,
Okay.
uh, what was the sample description that you had a look at?
um like, I have already, since applying, like before applying to your uh, operations intern, I have
Hmm.
already have like viewed your channel Edureka
Right.
for some educational purpose and for preparing for one interview.
Hmm.
So I looked into some of your descriptions, and some I have also looked in some like channels like Simply Learn, Code
Okay.
Basics.
Okay.
Some channels are there regarding tutorials and educational like knowledges, like, so
Right.
they provide knowledge on tech. So I have referred some channels, but as my live is less just only for 4 minutes, I couldn't like explain in so many words. So
Hmm. Understood. So,
Okay.
okay, so you do understand that the descriptions are a bit longer for EduReka and for other companies that basically publish videos.